In this problem, we have a quadratic equation and we're asked to find the types of solutions. So first note that this is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So we can identify a, b, and c. So a is 3, b is 4, and then c is -2. So that's the first step. Then we use a formula. It's a really powerful formula. The formula is something called the discriminant. It's b squared minus 4ac. And basically, you work this out. And if it's greater than 0, you have what's called distinct real roots. You have 2 of them. If it's less than 0, you have complex conjugates. So you have 2 answers, and they're complex conjugates. And if it's equal to 0, you have 1 answer, but it's repeated. So you really have 2 answers, but it's the same answer. So it's 1 repeated solution. So you have a repeated real root. So let's see what happens in this case. So b is 4. So we'll have 4 squared minus, and then 4, and then a is 3, and then c is -2. So 4 squared, that's going to be 16. And then negative and negative is positive. So this is going to be plus, and then 12 times 2 is 24. So this is equal to 40, which is greater than 0. So in this case, we have distinct real roots because it's positive. I hope this video has been helpful.